Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to sell beats on Gumroad. The first thing you will need to do is create an account on Gumroad. To do that, you're going to go onto gumroad.com and you're going to tap on sign up in the top right hand corner, right where you see dashboard on my screen. There are numerous sign up options when it comes onto Gumroad. For example, you can sign up using your Twitter account, your Facebook account, your Gmail account, or any email account. Once you have signed up to Gumroad, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. But before being directed to that dashboard, you'll need to verify your email address. So you're going to go into your inbox, and from there you're going to enter the code that they will provide you with. And also, when it comes onto Gumroad, it is completely free to sell on it. All they'll do is charge a 10% flat fee for everything that you make. So that is very reasonable. So once you have verified your account or your email address, better yet, you'll be led to this dashboard, and I want you to go over to the left hand menu option, tap right where you see products. Then you are going to tap on new product in the top right hand corner. After you have selected new product, you are going to give your beats a name, so I'll simply call mine beats. Then you are going to scroll down. You could type in the name of your song or so on if you want. After you have done that, you are going to scroll down and you can see the different options right here. But what we will be selecting, since we are selling songs or better yet beats, we are going to be selecting digital product. So we are going to tap on digital product. Then you're going to scroll down, and right where you see price, you can enter the price right there. So let's say, for example, I want to sell this for $5. I'll let it be $5 right there. Then I'll tap on next in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on next, this is basically the cover page, and you can see a preview of how it looks on the right hand column right here. Now you could create a stunning cover image or some type of album cover. You can do that by going onto canva.com. Canva.com is another free platform that you can sign up on to do this. And to add your cover image, all you'll need to do is simply scroll down. Right where you see cover, you could simply tap on that. Then you could tap on computer files, and from there you could upload your cover image. So let's say, for example's sake, I will be using this cover image just for example's sake. So I'll simply tap on that, and you can see a preview of how it looks right there. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down and you can add a call to action. So you can simply tap. You can choose whether you want it to be I want this, buy this, pay. You can select any one of these options. And then you can also scroll down if you like to add any additional details. You can do that. And you can see the pricing that we had chose right there. After you have done that, you can scroll down. If you would like to limit the amount of product sales, you could do that. Or if you like customers to only be able to purchase the song once or so on, you could do that. But we will leave these as is. Then you're going to tap on content in the top left hand corner right here. After you have tapped on content, what I want you to do now, this is the section where you would add your song. To add your song, what you're going to do is right where you see insert file, you're going to tap right there. After you have done that, you are going to tap on computer files, and from there you are going to find your beats or the audio track that you would like to sell. So as you can see, I selected Audacity. So all of these are MP3, as you can see right there, MP3 files, and your song or your beat more than likely will be in an MP3 format. So after selecting that, let's say I were to select this one, you'll tap on open, and you can see it is being added right there. And then you can add numerous beats if you want. You could simply tap on it once more and you could add another beat, so you could create an entire album if you want. After you have done all of that and it is to your liking, all you'll need to do now is tap on publish and continue in the top right hand corner. Once you have tapped on publish and continue, it will automatically be saved. Once it has been saved, now you can simply tap. You can see it right here, preview. So this is how it looks. So this would be your album cover. And now to share it, all you'll need to do is tap on copy link. And if I were to paste the URL, for example, right here and go onto it, you'll be able to get a better preview of how it looks. So again, this is the cover image. That would be your album cover. And you can see right there are 2 call to actions. I want this, and you could scroll down and you will see I want this right there, and you can also see the size. Once your customer taps on I want this, they will be redirected to this page, and you can see the beats over here for $5. So they can get it for $5, as you can see right there. All they'll need to do is tap on pay. And the reason why you're seeing this is because I had created a newsletter earlier, but you'll see only the beats that you have created. But before going away, I also want you to go over to the left hand menu option, and you're going to select payouts. After selecting payouts, you're going to tap on settings in the top right hand corner. And the reason why you're doing this is you're going to set up the payment method that you will be offering to your customers. So first, you want to verify the country that you're in. Also tap on I have a valid government ID, I have proof of residency, and you can also tap right here. If I'm signing up as a business, you can do that, then tap on save. Once you have done all of that, you'll be able to enter your PayPal email address. And if you don't have PayPal, you can quickly create a PayPal account, and you could add it right there to offer it to your customers. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.